A very good morning, students. Let's start our lesson. What is our lesson name? The sun and the solar systems. Yes. So we have learned about already whole the lessons. Yes. Only two paragraphs are remain. So we are going to complete that today only. So how many planets are there in the solar systems? 8 planets are there. Before it was 9 planets were there, but after the 2006, the Pluto has been dropped planets. Yes or no? The scientists have said that planet is very far from us, and that planet is very small. So it is not considered that as very small planet. So they have cancelled that the drop planet. It's called the drop planets. Okay. So Mercury is very near to the sun. Venus is like our Earth only, but it do not have its lights. Yes or no? Its size only up to the same only. Then Earth, only Earth has life. Yes or no? 70% water is there on our Earth, and 30% is the water. Yes. Then our Earth is moving around the sun, and it is how many days it's taking? 365 days it's taking moving around the sun. Then Mars is the it's looking like a red colors. Yes or no? Then it's also saying the red planet. Mars is the saying red planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the among the all the planets. It is a 1300 times bigger than our Earth. Then Saturn has also large planet. It's called the bright yellow planet. Uranus is very far from the sun. Yes. And then Neptune also is very far from the sun. It is a gaseous planet. So many types of the gases you will get there. Yes. So these are the 8 planets are in our solar system. Also drop planets are there. Which one? Pluto, Ceres, Eris, and Sedna. These planets is known as the drop planets. Then satellites. The Earth has also one of the natural satellites. It's called the Moon. Almost all the planets. Only for some of the planets they do not have their own satellites. For example, which one? Like Mercury and Venus, they do not have the satellites. Means they do not have their own moons. Then we are learn about the moon also. Moon also changing their spaces. Yes or no? Every day it is changing because actually it is moving. It is revolving around the Earth. It is not revolving around the sun. So it is changing always. Yes, 24 hours it is taking revolving around the sun. So we are seeing the different types of the phases in the sky. Yes. Also we are learn about the new moon day and the which one? Anyone can guess one that one? New moon day, phases of the moons. Yes, we have learned about these things. Then asteroids, a big pieces of the rocks. It's moving around some of the planets are there. These asteroids are moving around them. These are the called asteroids. Which one? Like they are moving in nearby to the Mars and the Jupiters. Yes, circling. And some of the in front of the Jupiter there are some of the circles. In that circle you will get some of the asteroids. Some comets and meteors. Now today we are going to explain that the comets and the meteors. Comets and meteors are the mass of ice, dust and rocky particles with a long tail moving around in an elliptical orbit. So see these are the comets. Comets, how is the comets? Comets is long like this. It is going slowly like small. Okay. Like these are the comets. Now these are the pieces of rock. So in that you will get some pieces of the rocks. Pieces of the rocks. Not only the pieces of the rocks. Again what you will get there? See, dust, mass of ice also, and dust. Then see, it has a long tail. As shown now, it has a long tail. Up to the go here, up to the way. It has a long tail. For example, you can see that comets. In Marathi, we are seeing it's a धूमकेतू in the sky. आपण धूमकेतू बघतो. Now the one Dhumketu is there, it will come soon. Soon it will be, you will see the what is mean comets. Comets means like a Dhumketu. ते कसा पांढरा खड असतो आणि वी कॅन सी इन फ्रंट इन विथ आवर नेकेड आवर आईज इन द स्काय. आपण त्याला बघू शकतो आपल्या उघड्या डोळ्यांनी, पण तो सारखा सारखा येत नाही. एकदा गेल्यानंतर काही वर्षांनी तो परत येतो. सो इट हॅज मुव्हिंग on its elliptical orbit. It has also one of the elliptical orbit, so it has also moving around itself. Now see, comets and meteors can be seen with our naked eyes only when they pass close to the sun, as their tails reflect sunlight. However, most of them are too small for us to see even with the help of the telescope. Meteors are also known as shooting stars, but they are not stars. Most meteors are tiny, the size of pebbles, and most of them fall into the ocean because most part of the earth is ocean. So some of the meteors, ratricha veli in the night times, can you see that some stars are falling? Yes or no? But actually the stars are not there. That is called the meteors. They are very far from us, and mostly it is falling in the oceans only. Yes. But and when we will see the comets, when the comets will go nearby to the sun, that time we can see the comets. Okay. Now here is the comets and meteors as the O's. So comets means like in Marathi we can say it's the Dhumketu. Okay. When the sun, when it will go nearby to the sun, that time only because of the sunlight we can see these the comets. Okay. So some comets are there. So next year in the when you will go in the 5th or 6th standard, that time we will study about the whole is what is mean comets and which comets are always coming after 75 years, after 25 years. Okay, about that also we will explain. But nowadays only you have to learn about the only comets. Okay, up to there our lesson is the over. Now tomorrow we will explain again. I will explain this lesson and we will go to the question answers. Up to there, bye bye.